Hi guys, welcome back to Codemaster Coach, your medical coding tutor. Guys, today is Friday. We have made it through the whole week. So if you have not viewed my 4 previous videos that I'm doing for the month of February, I'm doing a February series on CPC review questions and my most asked questions of me on my YouTube channel. Make sure to go back and start with number 1. I have them numbered with videos number 1, 2, 3, 4, and today I'm doing number 5, which is the answers to video number 4's questions. Now, yesterday one of the questions was a patient with hypertension and chronic kidney disease stage 5 is admitted by his primary care physician. What ICD-10-CM codes are reported? And if you figured it out, it is D. I have it highlighted here in red. D is the answer. All right. How do we do this? It says in your ICD-10-CM guidelines under I, C9A2, it states there is a causal relationship presumed when both hypertension and chronic kidney disease are documented. So let me make sure I stress this because I try to stress this to my students. ICD-10-CM guidelines automatically presumes a causal and effect relationship between hypertension and chronic kidney disease. Unless your physician says there is not a relationship, we automatically code and presume there is. So when you look in your ICD-10-CM alphabetic index, go to the main term, hypertension, then with, then kidney, then with stage 5, which is also chronic kidney disease or end-stage renal disease, and it will give you code I12.0. So in your tabular list, because we always confirm the code that we found in the alphabetic, when you get to the code I12.0, there's an instructional note that tells you to also report the stage of the chronic kidney disease. So now we need to go back and use an additional code for the stage of the chronic kidney disease. So in looking in your alphabetic index, you go to the main term disease, then kidney, then chronic, and then stage 5. And it will give you code N18.5. And always verify your code selection in your tabular list. Because remember, your diagnosis said hypertension and chronic kidney disease, and your chronic kidney disease was a stage 5 kidney disease. So hopefully, guys, you got this one. All right, and then the second question was when a service having both a technical and a professional component, for example, an x-ray, is performed in the hospital, which modifier would be used by the physician? Now, if it's by the physician, the modifier is modifier 26. How many of you got that correct? All right, the answer, when a service having both the technical and a professional component is performed in the hospital, the physician may bill for the professional component only. So modifier 26 represents the professional component. Okay, guys? Modifier 26. All right, if you have not viewed, go back, view 1, 2, 3, and 4, and study this weekend. And I will be back on Monday to start a whole new week of CPC review questions, as well as my top questions asked of me on my YouTube channel. Thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next one.